Hey folks, to celebrate Black Friday, we're going to talk about blackheads. But first, let's take a look at some amazing blackheads. Blackheads, or open comedones, are essentially clogged pores, the biggest of which are dilated pores of Weiner, like this. They're actually pretty similar to epidermoid cysts. Can you tell if this is a blackhead, dilated pore of Weiner, or epidermoid cyst? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you want to prevent blackheads, we recommend a blackhead mask. Order one today and enjoy the Blackhead Friday sale. 2 bottles of mask for the price of 1. That's enough to do about a dozen peels. Or maybe a few peels on your back. Or your friend's back. Or maybe 1 or 2 full body peels. For human use only. And we'll put an Amazon link below. Check it out while supplies last.